It's your girl Sharaerae, and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Today I am doing some makeup, my beautiful face. Yes. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put my hair back, and I'm gonna put this little bonnet on. Alright, so all I did was just put it in a bun and then I put this on top of here. So we're gonna start off, with this primer. Thing keep falling. This primer, Revlon. This is how they are in the videos. They just be doing it like this. Or something like that. I mean, this don't really be working out for me, but that's how they be. That's what the girl in the video did. Let me see. I can't even really. This take a lot of patience. This eyeshadow. I done closed the wrong eye. It's funny. So for the next thing, go back in with the concealer of this type. And now we use my broken beauty blender. Do they be saying blend till your hand fall off? I know my hand tired right now. Blend till that thing fall off, girl. So I just recently learned how to put these on. I just look in the mirror and I look down and I put them on. It don't always work out, but that's a work in progress too. But these lashes are called Nikki from Lucid Honey Cosmetics. And this glue is also from Lucid Honey Cosmetics. The link will be in the description, as well as all the products I used. In some videos, they just put that thing on and it just go on, like with no effort. It just go on, and I'm like, girl, how you get it like that? You know what I'm saying? So now we gonna go in with some highlights. This is also Lucid Honey Cosmetics product. This is Wild Cherry. Link in description. This smells so good. All of it. And it's not like a really dark color. And I like that too. It smells so good. It smells like you can eat it.